Hey everybody, this is just a quick open bag. I had ordered this Nintendo 64 game case. It's pretty small, and yeah, I have like about 9 games, and I was actually indecisive about this because I didn't know how big it would be, noting that the cassette itself is pretty small. And of course I'm going to be cleaning up these eventually with the use of some YouTube tips that I came across. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out well. And this one, it's like about $12.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link below. And it has like two, yeah, I have my memory card and all of that stuff in here. So it has like two little, holes if you want to attach it to a shelf or whatever if you're a game collector. I had this game for so long, since I was about 13 years old, and it's come a long way, I must say, and still works, still in good condition. I also had to order the jacks for it because my brother and I, when we first got it, we had to alter the old jack because we had, back in those days, we had the big back TVs that didn't carry the output, so we altered it and pretty much it worked. So now I'm actually buying back the original one so that I could get some sound happening with it. And yeah, this also came in a bag. It's a HIPAA filter for a Hoover vacuum. I'm not gonna do a video on this because there's a lot of them on out there already. So this one is kind of interesting because I couldn't tell this. They had another one that was about $14 and I couldn't understand why. Same amount of spaces, 10 spaces, and this one was cheaper. Solid plastic. And the other one, it doesn't have this pretty little logo that I really like. It's cute. And so you get less for still more. You get a little diagram and photo. So as I said, this is just a short video I'm doing just so you could see the size of it. It's pretty small. It's not too bad. These are all the cassettes I have, so I don't really have a need for another, another storage, or how you call it. It was a case storage. So yeah. So guys, so all the gamers all there, the game collectors, could just see what it looks like, and it's not bad. It's worth the price. The only thing I think might happen if you drop it is gonna crack because it is a hard plastic, but it is doing what it said it's going to do. Storage, can't go wrong with that. All right, see you guys again sometime. Right, out.